Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I'll be showing you 3 different ways you can use flaxseed to grow your hair long, healthy and thick. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing if this is the kind of content you would love to watch. So as you can see here, I have some flax seeds I will be using. Flax seeds are amazing source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for our hair and scalp. They help to make our hair healthy, strengthen it from root to tip. So if your hair is looking dull, or your hair is not healthy, then you need to include something that like flaxseed to your hair care routine. Um, so I'm going to transfer some of the flax seeds to my small blender here. I'm just using any amount. Just feel free to use any amount that you see will be enough. So now I'm going to blend the flax seeds into powder. If you have flaxseed powder, that's good, you can use them. So after blending the flax seeds, this is how it's looking like. Just going to be using this messenger, and I'm gonna transfer some flaxseed powder, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. So for today, I'm not going to be um, cooking the flax seeds. This is the best method I have found, because using this method, your flax seeds are not going to lose any nutrients. So I'm just going to keep them to this jar for a few hours. You can also put it in your refrigerator and wait for overnight. So I'm just going to keep it and for about 8 hours. So after 8 hours, this is how it's looking like. Remember, I added hot water. I did not put it in the refrigerator, but if you want to put it in the fridge, you can just add cold water, and just look how it's looking like. So you do not need to cook. This method is really amazing because your flaxseed is full of nutrients. Right now, I'm going to be straining out, and I'm using a piece of cloth. Just look for something that has very tiny holes and strain out. This way, your flaxseed paste won't have any particles left, because your hair will get some tangles if you use it with some chunks. And this is some of the leftovers. I'm just going to throw it away. So this is how it's looking like after straining out. I like the consistency. The next method is we still have flax seeds, and this time round we are not going to blend them. I'm just going to get myself a pot, and I'm gonna transfer some of them to it, about 2 tablespoons. Just feel free to use any quantity you want. So after adding, I'm going to be using some water, about 1 cup. Remember, flax seeds really get thicker as you cook, or as if you add more and add little water, it's going to be thick. So just make sure to use the same quantity of water and the flax seeds. So I'm just going to stir this for a few minutes. Usually I like to cook or boil my flax seeds for about 5 to 10 minutes, until the gel thickens and until it gets into the consistency that I want, without killing important nutrients. I went ahead and removed it from heat and allowed it to cool down for a few minutes. Since I'm using a cheesecloth and I don't want to get burnt, so I just let it to cool down. But if you are using something like a strainer, you can strain it immediately after removing it from heat. This is how the flaxseed gel is looking like after straining out. It's not thick, but this is the consistency I wanted. The next method, we will be needing flaxseed powder we left after blending. So I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons to a separate bowl. Then I'll be using the oil of my choice, which is coconut oil. Just feel free to use any oil of your choice. Coconut oil really help to strengthen the hair. Also, it penetrates nicely to the strands, to the hair strands, and to the scalp. And I like to use it most of the time when I'm making my DIY videos, and also when I want to do a hot oil treatment. I really like to use coconut oil. So just use any oil of your choice. Now I'm giving it some stir, and after that I'm gonna grab myself a pot. I will transfer some water to it and then let it boil. And after that I'll transfer the oil mixture and allow it to infuse for about 30 minutes while I'm stirring it. Just make sure to use a double boiler method because you want to keep all the nutrients. So after that minute, just go ahead and remove it from heat and let it cool down and then strain out your oil. Flaxseed gel, flaxseed oil is really amazing. You can apply this on your scalp alone without adding anything. I like to use it on my scalp. So if you apply this on your scalp, you see some tiny baby hairs. I'm talking from my experience because I have used it. But now I'll be using Vaseline because I want to make it thicker so I can use it to my hair strands. I will not use this on my scalp because it's thick and it can block the pores. So just use this to your hair strands, and if you want to apply it on your scalp, you can just use the flaxseed oil alone. You can use the flaxseed gel we made earlier as a leave-in or as a pre-poo. So thank you so much guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.